So that's what they did. They added this nice little threading, make sure it fits the 2018 Honda Civic. Yeah. All right. Hopefully it works. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Please. Oh, por favor. Oh no. There it is. Let me see. Oh, better. Way better. We need some springs. We need springs, but I'll take the rims. There you go, folks. Eddie Cheesy. It's my son's birthday today, so I think he's gonna be real happy with these Tesla rims. Yeah, but cheesy. Yeah, we out. Hi, birthday boy. Come on, let's go to the garage. Let's go see your birthday present. Man, it's ugly. Oh, wow. You like it? Yeah. Is that a great birthday gift? It's thick, so those are the Tesla stock ones. So they're gonna perform better on your Civic, man. Yeah, you want to drive it? Happy birthday, buddy. All right. Okay. Happy? Oh. Look up here. Look up here. Okay.